wanted to give you a quick overview of our new calendar. It's a responsive calendar, and what that means is that it looks good on desktops as well as on phones. I just wanted to show you this real quick. Now this here is a kind of a typical calendar. It has about 12 users, and let's just say, for example, that you're an administrator, an office person, and you're running this team, and you're in your office and on a desktop. What you can do with this calendar is you can take it here and you can expand it to take up your entire screen. Now, as you can see, looking at this full screen, you can put quite a bit of data in this screen. So basically we have all these events, and we have 10 users, and we're coordinating this effort over all these people. Now, as a person in the industry, one of the things I hear all the time is I want to be able to access my calendar on the phone. Now, what people do is they go with a product called Exchange, and they use a thing called ActiveSync, which ActiveSync is a process licensed by Microsoft that allows you to coordinate Outlook calendars using their mail server. I too run a mail server, and I have the option of enabling ActiveSync, but in my opinion, there's a couple things wrong with it. Number one, it's expensive. It seems to be anywhere from $5 to $10 per month per user. And the other thing, I personally think it's overcomplicated for what it does. Now, let's just say, for example, that your users are in the field with tablets and phones. I want to show you what happens. Now, if I take this screen and I shrink it down, you can see the calendar will respond. Now, as I get down in this range, it's going to flip now. And right here, now we're on a phone. So you can see that this is what it looks like on a phone. So when you get on your iPhone, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have a responsive menu to work the system, and all the events have lined up here, and you can see this is a perfectly reasonable presentation for the phone. So what I hear when I go out into the field is, John, all I need is a way for my people to get on their phones and to see their calendar. So let's just say, for example, that you're in the office and you've developed this schedule for your team. Now I want to show you, when your team gets on their phones, this schedule right here, I'm going to go ahead and minimize this page, is going to look like this right here. This is the same calendar. This is what it looks like on the phone. So you can see that what that calendar does, it's called a responsive design. What that does is it reformats itself for the phone. All your events turn into this format. So this is a very inexpensive and easy way to coordinate a desktop calendar in the office with iPhone calendars in the field. Very simple, very inexpensive way to go, and you can see there's really no downside.